Welcome to your central hub for business efficiency, the EMP DJ Workflow Automations dashboard. Here you have a bird's-eye view of your entire operations digital pulse. At the top, the background worker status provides real-time health checks on your active, completed, and queued tasks, ensuring everything is running smoothly. Beneath the status bar, we find the My Workflows tab, the nerve center where your custom logic resides. You can see various active sequences like main automations and appointment workflows, each detailed with their respective triggers, actions, and historical success rates. Navigating further, the Scheduled Automations tab offers a chronological look into the future, listing every task set to execute, from wedding follow-ups to lead nurturing. The Outbox provides a comprehensive log of every email and SMS sent, allowing for easy auditing. Finally, the Automation History tab delivers a deep dive into past performance, with clear metrics on completed, failed, and scheduled events, ensuring you never miss a beat. Now, let's build a new sequence from scratch to see the true power of this system. By clicking Create Workflow, we enter a clean, intuitive canvas. Every great automation begins with a trigger. In this scenario, we want to respond instantly to new potential clients. We'll select Form Completed as our trigger type and choose the specific inquiry form from our integrated tools. To keep things organized, we'll rename this step to Inquiry Form Completed. With our trigger set, it's time to define the response. We'll add an action and select Send Email. We want this message to go directly to the customer who filled out the form. Rather than using a generic response, let's craft a bespoke inquiry response email template. Personalization is key to conversion. By using shortcodes, we can automatically pull data from the form, like the customer's full name and your business name, into the message. We're also including dynamic information like the total quote amount and even a direct link for them to schedule a callback via our integrated calendar. But we can take this a step further. Our built-in AI assistant is ready to help refine your voice. By selecting Revise with AI, we can instantly transform our draft into something more professional and formal. Notice how the AI intelligently restructures the content while maintaining our vital shortcodes. We can even give the AI specific prompts, like adding a special offer for a photography package. In seconds, the AI weaves this new information seamlessly into the email, creating a compelling, multifaceted response that would have taken much longer to write manually. Once satisfied, we create the template and it's ready to fire. But automation isn't just for customers, it's for you too. Let's add a second action, an internal SMS. This ensures the business owner or admin receives an instant notification on their phone whenever a new inquiry arrives, including the client's name, the event date, and the venue. To finalize, we rename our actions for clarity, Send Email and Send SMS, and give the entire workflow a descriptive name, Inquiry Follow-up Sequence. A quick save and our new automation is live, joined to the ranks of our other high-performing workflows. Before we conclude, let's take a quick look at Advanced Scheduling. This area allows for granular control over performance and reliability. You can set Avoid Spam Hours to ensure your communications land at optimal times, manage stale job expiry for system hygiene, and utilize the Smart Deduplication system to prevent sending duplicate messages. With these robust EMP DJ tools at your fingertips, you aren't just managing tasks, you're engineering a seamless, professional experience for your clients while reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time.